Ben Lipper here again. We are back at it. As you know, recently I've been working through a whole bunch of Sandstorm stuff. So, you know, we've had Sandstorm and we've kind of increased the number of points we've gotten with that, which has been awesome. But we kind of started to hit a plateau. You know, we weren't able to score a whole lot more than 204 points. So we were looking at it wondering, is there a better robot out there? Maybe there is, maybe there's not. So me and my brother looked online, took some inspiration, and then modified it to make it even better, and we created a robot called Avalanche. This guy, he looks a little bit different. He's only got one arm, not three. Certainly easier to program, certainly easier to build. He's got probably similar potential as Sandstorm based on the testing we've done so far. But I did really want to show it to you. He's got 204 points in skills as well, so pretty good. If you'd like to build something like this, go and just enter your email underneath this video. There's a little link. You can click that. I'll send you pictures and all the information that you need in order to create something similar to this guy. Go and check this out. Watch him score this 204 points. Alright, so what do you think? If that seems like something you want to build, again, just go ahead and click the link underneath this video. It'll take you to a page. I'll just send you the instructions for building something like this. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at the competition.